Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Today we will read chapter number 6 of our English literature book. And the name of the chapter is I Am Flying. So this story is about a boy who believes in making others happy, who loves to make others happy. Once upon a time, there was a little boy who lived in an orphanage. Once upon a time, there was a little boy who lived in an orphanage. Orphanage is a home for the children whose parents are dead. Orphanage is a home for those children whose parents are dead. This little boy always wished to fly like a bird. This little boy always wanted to fly like a bird. It was very difficult for him to understand why he could not fly. There were birds at the zoo much bigger than him. They could fly. So he is always wondered. He is always think curiously about that why he is not able to fly. When he went to a zoo, he saw so many birds. They were bigger than him and they could fly, but he is unable to fly. So he is always wondered why is it so, why he can't fly. So he's saying, why can't I? He wondered why can't I fly. There was a little girl who could not walk. You can see the picture. There is a boy who lived in a orphanage, and there is a girl who could not walk. She has some problems in her legs, so she is not able to walk. So there was a little girl who could not walk. She always wished to walk and run like other little boys and girls. So whenever she sees other boys and girls walking and running, she always wants to walk and run like them. Why can't I be like them? She wondered. She always think curiously that why can't I be like them? Why can't I walk? One day, the little boy went for a walk. He came to a park. You can see this is a picture of a park. So he came to a park where he saw the little girl. Sitting on the sand. So he came to a park where he saw the little girl playing in the sand. She is sitting on the sand and she is playing with the sand. He ran over to the little girl and asked. He went close to that girl and asked, have you ever wanted to fly like a bird? Have you ever thought of flying like a bird? No, said the little girl. That girl said, no, but I have wondered what it would be like to walk and run like other boys and girls. But she says, but I always wondered that what it would be like to walk and run like other boys and girls. So I don't want to fly like a bird, but I want to walk and run like other boys and girls. Turn the page. So when the girl said, no, I don't want to fly like a bird, but I want to walk and run like others. So boy asked, why? She answered, I can't walk or run because I am unable to walk on my own. That is very sad, said the boy. Boy said, oh, that is very sad. He feels so pity. So do you think we could be friends? He asked to her, do you think we could be friends? Sure, said the little girl. Little girl said, yes, certainly we could be friends. Now they became friends. The two children played for hours. They made sandcastle and talked and laughed. So they made sandcastles. Sandcastle, when we make a castle from the pile of sand, that is called sandcastle. So they played for so many hours. They made sandcastle, talked and laughed. Then the little girl's father came with a wheelchair to take her home. Then little fathers came with a wheelchair. You can see the picture. This is a wheelchair. So a special chair with wheels, which is used by people who are unable to walk on their own, who cannot walk on their own. So the little boy ran over to the girl's father. He whispered something into his ears. He ran to his father and he asked something into his ears. That would be wonderful, said the man. And the man said, oh, that would be wonderful. It would be very enjoyable. The boy looked at his new friend and said, you are my only friend. I wish there was something I could do to make you walk and run like other little boys and girls, but I can't. Because the boy is very kind hearted, he always believes in making others happy. So he said, I wish I could do something for you. I could help you in walking and running, but I can't. Instead, there is something that I can do for you. But there is something that I can do for you. The boy turned around and told his new friend to slide up onto his back, to moved up onto his back. He then began to run, and then he started to run faster and faster. He ran carrying the little girl on his back. You can see he is carrying the little girl on his back. So he ran carrying the little girl on his back harder and harder. He made his legs travel and he made his legs travel. He moved a lot. He walked a lot. Soon the wind just whistled across the two children's faces. Soon the wind blew very hard and it whistled across the two children's faces. The little girl's father began to cry as he watched his daughter flapping her arms up and down in the wind, all the while yelling at the top of her voice, "Look, Daddy, I am flying. Look, Daddy, I am flying." So the little girl's father began to cry. He started crying as he watched his daughter flapping her arms, as he watched his daughter moving her arms up and down in the wind, all the while yelling at the top of her voice. She was shouting with the top of her voice, "Look, Daddy, I am flying. Look, Daddy, I am flying." So this was the story of a little boy who was very kind and who believed in making others happy. So I hope you like the story. What you have to do, you have to read the story once again on your own. Bye.